welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos. So today we are doing the first mod to the car. It's not a performance mod, it's just a cosmetic mod, but it still counts as a mod and it still costs a pretty penny. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get the Mustang tinted. Yes, it's like the second day I have the car and I don't feel right without a car that's tinted. Like I said, if some of you guys that personally know me, I really care about privacy and I just don't like my car just being a fishbowl. Plus, it looks better when it's tinted. So, you know, this is the car right now. It looks like a fishbowl, literally. Look at this. No, I can't do that. Can't do that. So we're gonna start the car and get going. Just look how beautiful it is from behind. Just look at this. This thing is such a beauty. This window is done. Just look how perfect it is. So what I'm doing is 20% here and 5% all around. There's like literally no room in here.
Man, you can even move over here.
Look at that. Yeah, I know. It's literally there's no room. The back seats are useless. Literally. Almost done. So the reason he had it on the outside is to make sure it's stretched enough so it's easier to put it when you're putting it inside. And of course he cuts it from the outside because you can't really cut it from the inside. But it's almost done. Guys, so the people who are doing my tints have always done my cars. They did my Hellcat. They do amazing job and they use the best type of material possible. So I'm gonna show you guys the cars that they have. So one of them got this vet. This vet is pretty sick. I love vets. Just look how clean the paint is too. These wheels look really good actually. And the top is gloss. I think it's pretty sick. And then let's check this one. The other one got this Cobra. Look at the wheels are so nice. And this paint is just, I don't know what it looks like it's wrapped, but it's not. He said this is a color that it comes in. And check out the hood though. The hood is just so mean. Look at that. What do you guys think? If you had to choose between the two, would you pick this Mustang or the vet? Wow, look at Batman. Talk about Batman. Look at this bad boy. Sheesh. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. This thing is nice. Came out so good. Gotta go wash the car now. Of course, I never stop washing the car. This thing is beautiful. Alright, so we just got done going for a ride. Got my thing tinted. We're about to head to my buddy Jason. Oh man, these roads. We're about to go head to my buddy Jason's dealership with the Durango SRT, check out what's going on over there, and of course show them the car, see what they think of it, because, you know, of course I told them I was gonna get it and they never seen it, so we're gonna go see what is up with them. All right guys, we just got to Jason's. Let me show you his car. Got the beautiful Durango, man. This thing is sweet. I gotta review this though, that for sure. A lot of people have been requesting to review it. So look at this badge. This is reflective, by the way. So it reflects during the night. And he put a SRT badge down here. But let me just show you guys the tint real quick. So this is what it looks like. 20% on the front, 5% on the side, all the way around. Ooh, there's plenty of it. And I'll show, this is how it looks. This thing looks like a beast, especially with the black on black. What do you think? I gotta wash this thing because all that. I didn't let them wipe it because it's black. Because it's black, it was gonna scratch everything. I'm wrapping it. But I kind of like the black, man. This thing looks sick.
Good.
I don't know. I like it.
How long did it take you?
For what?
To go down there?
4.5 hours. And then put it on a, cause it's a trailer, so you know we're a little bit slower. But it, you know, finally got it here though. I like it, man. This thing drives like. Check the inside out, man. That's my favorite part. The inside. Oh my god. Yeah. Dude. Start it. Just look how sick the dash is. And I have the active exhaust. Oh yeah, you can put your seat back.
There we go.
So you could turn it up and turn it down.
You really?
Yeah. Start it. So the starter's right there. You click the little horse right here. Alright, okay, we get it. And you come to exhaust mode. You put it in sport now.
Dude, is it?
And it gets, yeah, it's valves. It's like an option you could get. It's sick, man. I love this car. And then you got the ambient lights. Like I changed this to purple and stuff like that.
You can change the color of that?
Yeah, and you got colors in here. And then you have a Mustang sign on the ground.
Dude, don't show Rocco that.
He just left.
Did he?
He just left.
Oh
He just missed it. I was doing a U-turn. He was doing the other U-turn to leave. Yeah, even when you close it, the light is coming from the mirror. So when you unlock the car, the Mustang just shines on the ground. The actual Mustang logo on the ground at night. And then this is the color of the ambient lights too.
Right here?
That changes to purple, red, whatever you set it.
Dude, no
It's
way.
sick, man. And my favorite part is the key. They've changed the key so much. And then quad tips. It looks GT350 spoiler. Actually looks good. I was never a Mustang fan, man, but I'm sounding like one now. It is not bad at all, man. This thing is pretty fast. I just want to break it in and put it on a dyno, take it to the track,
right?
Do a bunch of races while it's stock, cause I'm gonna put it on ED5 and do a bunch of stuff right away.
You're gonna wrap it?
I'm trying to wrap it. I don't know what color to get, you know.
B5 blue.
Oh, you don't say. Now, let's talk about you. You got a bunch of different stuff.
Dude, you got the wrap on.
You put this on?
Yeah.
Like, look, in the video, it looks B5 blue.
Yeah, when it's reflective. So when
it actually doesn't look that bad when it's on it. What about here?
I just put black on the back.
Oh my god. I thought it was silver for a second.
Right?
And then when you go up close, it's blue.
Yeah.
Oh man, so this is all reflective at night?
Yeah, those are. The back, I just put the black on.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's nice.
Looks way better black.
Yeah, it does. What are you gonna do with this?
I'm gonna have it tinted.
Oh, tinted black?
Yeah, so I just bought the emblem.
You play?
Yeah, you didn't see it.
No, I didn't see it. This is sick. I didn't even know it would be available.
I know.
SRT V5? That's sick.
Well, when I typed it in, I'm like, no way, it's available. So I ended
yeah, I'm going to order mine tomorrow. I went and it was like 3-hour wait, so I just got an appointment for tomorrow.
There you go.
Wow, this thing's sick. Wow. They look good together.
Might be dirty in there.
Oh no, it's not. Wow. Guys, there's a demon steering wheel in a Durango. How does it feel when you're driving? Don't you just want to go fast?
Hell yeah.
Oh
it feels like you're faster.
So the thing is, people complain about, does it like smell after your hands are sweaty or no?
No. So when it first comes out of the box, it smells like it has like a chemical smell to it. So I just let it sit for a couple days. But
Yeah, no, it just smells like nothing.
Right.
It looks
I
good.
think it's just the glue that's on there that smells.
We're gonna say bye to Jason. Man, check her out. She looks so good. Of course, we got Nate's Scat Cat. He thinks he's gonna beat me, so I can't wait till the car is broken in so we could take this down. I'm gonna destroy it, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so today was a little cosmetic mod. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked Jason's little badges. Tell me what you guys think of that. Tell me what you guys think of the tint. Let me know what the next mod should be, because I do take your advice. Like I said, this is about you guys. This car is about you guys. It'll be an open build. I can't wait till it hits 500 miles that we get on it. So this is what's gonna happen. When I hit 500 miles, I'm gonna race a bunch of cars that are, you know, sort of in the same league as the car. Also, it'll be on a dyno. It'll go to the track. I'm also going to the track with a friend of mine who has a really fast track hawk. So he hit me up and he's like, yeah, whenever your car is broken in, let's go to the track. So we're gonna go to the track, take the Mustang while it's fully stocked with stock tires and everything, and we're gonna take the track hawk as well, and that's gonna be a fun video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with my videos, and we're done here. Peace. Subscribe to my channel. Don't subscribe to him. Peace. Ooh, look at that money.